So last week, we learned about Spanish exploration in the Americas and the forces that drove them there. Well, because of the Spanish discoveries in North and South America of great deposits of gold in the Aztec and Inca empires, Spain, as I mentioned last week, became the most powerful country on the planet. And this is the area that Spain controlled, right here. However, that's going to change very soon. Spain had the most powerful navy on the planet, the Spanish Armada. But in 1588, things are going to change. Spain wanted to control all of the exploration in the New World, that is North and South America. And they had the manpower to do that with their mighty Spanish Armada or Navy. They also wanted to dominate England because England was now a Protestant country, and they thought that was not right for them to break away from the Catholic Church. In 1588, they sent their Spanish Armada to England to conquer England. But England was ready for them, and they had a navy of their own. They did not have as many ships, and their ships weren't quite as big as the Spanish ships. And that was an advantage because in the English Channel, the nimble, smaller English vessels were able to take advantage of their speed and size and able to defeat the Spanish Armada. Also, a big storm had come up in the English Channel, and that also hampered the progress of the Spanish. So in 1588, with the Spanish Armada crippled, the Spanish went back to Spain, licking their wounds. And never again will they be as powerful as they were right then. That opened the door to other European countries, right here, to send their ships across the Atlantic to explore the New World. And next week, when I have the map up, you'll see a completely different change in map colors, because now the Dutch, the English, the French are going to be sending their ships to the New World to start colonies. So, Labor Day, Monday, that's a good thing. No school. And Tuesday, we will finish with lesson 3 in chapter 2, which is all the rivalries that were taking place in Europe, religious and military rivalries in Europe. How the English and the Germans broke away from the Catholic Church. We'll also look at French explorers. The French were very interested in finding a route to Asia, similar to what Columbus had envisioned, a route through the Atlantic Ocean over to the Indies. Now, they knew that North and South America was here, but they had heard that there was a passageway, a water passageway, somewhere in North and South America that they could sail through North America to get to Asia. And that was called the Northwest Passage. And the French are going to look for that for years and years. Eventually, they're going to discover that there was no Northwest Passage. But in their search for a Northwest Passage, they discovered a lot of land and claimed it for France. So that's what you'll be doing on Tuesday and Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday. There is a video for you to watch about the French explorers. So I'll be talking to you again next week. Thank you. Any questions? Message me.